Hello friends, welcome back to InfoSpot. 5-minute snow ice cream. To make your day so cool. Ice cream is a sweetened frozen food made from dairy milk or cream. Ice cream is flavored with a sweetener, either sugar. The most popular flavor of ice cream is vanilla. Ice cream contains minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Make your healthy ice cream at home. Just follow the steps. Total preparation time 5 minutes. You can serve up to 3 to 4 persons. INGRIDIENTS. Number 1. 8 ounces. Sweetened condensed milk. Number 2. 1/3 cup sugar. Number 3. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Number 4. 4 cups snow, and sprinkles, for garnish if desired. Step 1. Take a medium-sized clean bowl. Step 2. Add sugar, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Now whisk these 3 ingredients combined together until it comes to smooth texture. Step 3. In a large bowl, pour condensed milk mixture over snow. Stir to combine. Step 4. Freeze 30 minutes to 1 hour or until almost solid. Step 5. Scoop into bowls and serve. Garnish with sprinkles if desired. Remember, the benefits of ice creams are really amazing. Number 1. According to one of the studies, it was proven that people who had ice cream first thing in the morning were more alert than people who didn't do so. Number 2. When you eat ice cream, your body produces a hormone known as serotonin. Serotonin, which is also known as a feel-good hormone, makes you feel happy. Always consume ice cream in a moderation. Overconsumption of ice cream may lead to obesity and various other complications. Thanks for watching InfoSpot. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share InfoSpot. Enjoy the various flavors of your favorite ice cream.